This year has been a year of massive AI video generator tools. Almost all the AI giants released their AI video generator tools this year, like Google Veo 2 and 3, Seedance AI tool, Kling 2.0, Hailuo 02 model, AI Tube, and many more. And majority of these companies make their tools available for people for free and to create unlimited videos just like the tool I am about to show you. In this video, I am going to show you the tech company that allows people to use a popular quality video model for free. You can use this tool for free legally without temp mail or creating a different account before you can access this tool. Yes, it is not clickbait. The best part, you can use this video model on your smartphone completely free to create high quality YouTube short, social media posts for your Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok page. Just take a look at these videos. All the videos are created with this AI tool. You can see how quality, realistic, and detailed they are. By the end of this video, you will be able to create even something better than this without wasting much of your time. Let's dive in. Microsoft Bing AI allows users to create stunning videos for free using Sora AI video model. You can now generate any video style of your choice with Sora AI model using Bing AI for free. To access this tool, first you have to download Microsoft Bing AI on your mobile phone. Download the Microsoft Bing search app on your iOS or Android device using the link in the description below. After successful installation, open the app. With Microsoft Bing AI, you can generate high-quality images and videos directly from your smartphone. The new Bing AI video generator is powered by OpenAI Sora. The results are super impressive and, of course, free to use. You have 10 fast video generations daily, and each generation costs 10 Microsoft reward points. If you want to earn more reward points, simply do that by using other Microsoft products or services and daily tasks. Let's start the video creation journey immediately. From the homepage, go to the video generator feature. Currently, the tool only supports vertical videos with 5 seconds duration. That means you can use this tool to generate all your YouTube short or social media posts. These are some of the creations to inspire you. The tool has 2 features. You can create images and you can also create video. We will be focusing on video generation feature. Let's begin with a simple prompt. I write 2 beautiful, colorful cats playing on the floor with some funny reactions in the prompt box. If you click on the icon below, it will bring other settings. As you can see, we only have 1 aspect ratio and a duration to use. In the speed section, we have 2 options. If you select fast, it will cost you 10 reward points, and if you select standard, it will take some time, approximately several hours to generate the video. I click at a fast speed. 10 reward points will be deducted from my reward balance that you are seeing right here. After all the settings, click on create. The tool will begin the generation process immediately. It takes 1 to 3 minutes before it generates the result. This is super realistic result. You can see that we have the 2 cats playing as stated in the prompt. This is really impressive. The quality of the video is really good. Even with the simple prompt, we are able to get very high quality result. Let's try with a detailed prompt and see how the tool handles the prompt. I paste a detailed prompt in the prompt box, then I hit the generation button and here's the result. This is really fantastic. The clarity is insane, very realistic. The tool follows the prompt to generate the video. Very extreme close-up shot. You can see that the tool can create your YouTube short, Instagram, and TikTok video very well. Let's try another one. I paste another prompt to the prompt box, then I click on generate. The prompt is on the screen for you to judge if the tool follows the prompt or not. Here's the result. The result is fantastic. The subject walks slowly and also walks fast at some point, which makes the video look unrealistic. The only thing I like about the generation is the quality. The quality of the video and the reflection of the subject is really impressive. Let me try this prompt and see if the tool will be able to generate the visual. I paste the prompt and hit the generation button, and here's the result. This is really fantastic. The tool is able to generate the video according to the prompt, but unable to transform the subject cloth. But the quality is really impressive. Let's try this tricky prompt if the tool will be able to generate the visual for us. I paste the prompt to the prompt box and I hit the creation icon. Here's the result. This is fantastic. The 2 animals are fighting inside the water. The result looks amazing though, but I think it can do better than this. The quality of the video is really impressive. You can also generate high quality images from this tool for free. This is how you will be generating your videos for free without paying a dime. If you enjoyed this tutorial, kindly give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.